friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking shaved chicken breast in the air fryer. So here I have a package of frozen shaved chicken breast. There is no need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. If you have a chicken breast that's already thawed, follow the same instructions but reduce cooking time by 5 minutes. So let me open up a package of frozen shaved chicken breast. And I will put it in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now after it's been cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and break up this chunk of frozen chicken. So if your shaved chicken breast was thawed already and not frozen, you can skip that step. But as you can see here, it's very important to do it because when it's a big block, it's raw on the inside and cooked on the outside. So we need to mix it to make sure now it's broken up so the remaining chicken that was inside can also cook through. And now I'll put it back on the air fryer so it continues cooking. So now, after a few minutes, once I mixed it the first time, I'm going to mix it again to ensure it cooks evenly. So it's been about 3 minutes or so from the last time I mixed it. So again, I'm going to break it up and see that it's almost ready. Some chicken is already browned. So again, I'll break it up one last time and mix it. And I'll put it back on the air fryer to let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this shaved chicken. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So basically you cook it until it's no longer pink when everything is cooked. So if it needs a few more minutes, you can just mix it and put it back in the air fryer until it's done. But this is perfectly cooked and ready. So I'm just going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. At this point, if the packaged shaved chicken breast was unseasoned, you can sprinkle it with seasonings of your choice. And if it was pre-seasoned, then you don't really need to do anything. That's it. Looks so good, so nicely brown, looks so crispy. Let's try it. Tastes delicious. It's so rare. The chicken breast is so nice and crispy and brown. And this is the recipe for that. And look how easy it was. You just put it in the air fryer and it cooks it to perfection. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!